only that, folks, as you can see here, we have reached 289 subscribers. So if you want us to reach up to 300 subscribers, keep on subscribing, folks. But in all seriousness, keep on subscribing because I can't believe we're almost halfway there. Halfway there. Halfway there. Halfway there. Halfway there.